debe quedar bueno.
Lo grabé.
Qué bueno, ahí va a ser más.
Ese va a ser buen contenido. ¿Qué tal, hermanitos bikers? Desde el kilómetro 3 y medio iniciamos un viaje hacia las dunas de Chachalacas. Acompáñenos.
En la costa del Golfo de México, existe un paisaje que parece sacado de otro planeta. Bienvenidos a las dunas de Chechaleques, uno de los tesoros naturales más impresionantes de Veracruz. Estas majestuosas dunas de arena dorada se extienden por más de 2 kilómetros a lo largo de la costa, alcanzando alturas de hasta 40 metros. Un espectáculo natural único en México. Las dunas no son solo un paisaje para admirar, son un parque de diversiones natural. Aquí, los visitantes pueden deslizarse en tablas especiales, practicando el emocionante deporte del sandboard, una experiencia que combina la adrenalina del snowboard con el calor tropical de Veracruz. Y justo al lado de este desierto costero, encontramos la playa Chechaleques, donde las aguas del Golfo de México besan la costa con sus olas tranquilas y perfectas para el baño. La playa es el complemento perfecto para una aventura en las dunas. Aquí las familias pueden disfrutar de paseos a caballo por la orilla del mar. Deliciosa gastronomía local en los restaurantes de pescados y mariscos. Recorridos en cuatrimotos por las dunas. Y refrescantes baños en las aguas del Golfo. Al caer la tarde, el espectáculo continúa. El sol se despide pintando el cielo de tonos naranjas y rosados, creando un escenario perfecto para fotografías inolvidables. El pueblo de Chechaleques, con su ambiente tranquilo y hospitalario, ofrece todas las comodidades para los visitantes. Hoteles y posadas para todos los presupuestos. Renta de equipo para sandboard. Guías locales expertos. Y una rica variedad de restaurantes tradicionales. Este ecosistema único también es hogar de diversas especies de aves y plantas adaptadas a la vida en las dunas, convirtiendo el área en un importante punto de interés para los amantes de la naturaleza. Si planeas visitar las dunas de Chechaleques, aquí algunos consejos importantes. La mejor época para visitar es de octubre a abril. Lleva protector solar y agua en abundancia. Usa ropa ligera y calzado cómodo. Reserva tus actividades con anticipación en temporada alta. Las dunas de Chechaleques son mucho más que un destino turístico, son un recordatorio de la increíble diversidad natural de México, un lugar donde el desierto se encuentra con el mar para crear un paisaje único en el mundo. ¿Alguna vez has soñado con conquistar las montañas más escarpadas o atravesar los terrenos más desafiantes? Bienvenidos al apasionante mundo del off-road. El off-road no es solo un deporte, es una pasión que combina habilidad, adrenalina y respeto por la naturaleza. Desde las competencias profesionales hasta las aventuras de fin de semana, este deporte ofrece experiencias únicas para todos los niveles. Rock crawling, domina las rocas. Trail riding, explora senderos naturales. Mud racing, atraviesa lodazales extremos. Desert racing, conquista las dunas. Para iniciarte en el off-road necesitarás un vehículo 4x4 adecuado. Neumáticos todo terreno. Equipo de recuperación. Kit de primeros auxilios. GPS y mapas. Consejos para principiantes. Nunca conduzcas solo. Estudia el terreno antes de aventurarte. Mantén tu vehículo en óptimas condiciones. Respeta el medio ambiente. Únete a un club de off-road. Recuerda, somos visitantes en la naturaleza. Nuestro deber es preservar estos espacios para futuras generaciones. El off-road es más que un deporte, es una comunidad, una aventura y un estilo de vida. ¿Estás listo para empezar tu aventura? No olvides dar like, suscribirte y activar las notificaciones para más contenido de aventuras extremas. Bueno. Una vez de darte una breve pero genial explicación, es hora de preparar las palomitas, servirte la bebida de tu elección, sentarte y disfrutar de este excelente video sobre off-road de pasión entre curvas. Un agradecimiento a Tecnología Digital y Top Creative que gracias a su apoyo hacen posible que hagamos estos videos. Si necesitas reparar tu equipo de cómputo, Tecnología Digital te puede resolver tu problema y no importa de qué parte de México seas, tú se los mandas por paquetería y ellos te lo reparan y te lo envían de vuelta sin problema. Y de igual forma quieres subir contenido y no sabes editar, mis amigos de Top Creative te pueden ayudar con eso, sin importar de qué parte del mundo seas. Y si alguien de ustedes está interesado en formar parte de nuestros patrocinadores, donde aparte de mencionarlos en nuestros 3 canales, vamos a portar su marca en nuestra ropa.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim, yeah.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit. Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all.
And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night,
And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe we could do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up.
Ya al calor de la adrenalina, yo quise intentar subir con mi poderosa mortalica, pero me di cuenta que el motor que traigo es muy pequeño, y además subía muy poca velocidad y luego me quedé atorado. Ya que los demás bikers traen motores de 300 centímetros cúbicos para arriba, aunque de la misma marca. Si alguno de ustedes ya subió con una moto igual a la mía, comenten para saber si sí se puede o no.
Coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. We're taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Pues es más grande, ese es 350.
Pero dile que doy, tienes que tener cuidado,
mira.
si no va para abajo. No inventes. A bajarte.
Lo mismo que yo.
¿Qué va a hacer? No, ya te pasó ahí. Te van a ayudar.
Esto se va a poner interesante. Esto se va a descontrolar. ¿Cuál? El Jimmy.
Solamente empujándole vamos para abajo, ¿no?
La va a desvielar. Sí, se le va a atorar la llanta. Ya, salió de...
Never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide me from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please. You're all too loud, you don't speak quietly. Opinions violently.
Vete al rey que le cuesta trabajo.
Y ese niño,
That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn.
No, ya no. ¿Sí?
Get through this, life is a nuisance, life's nuisance. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, for me like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide it just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo.
Si les interesa conocer este lugar, los invitamos a unirse a nuestro canal alternativo, donde hablamos más a fondo sobre Chechaleques y otros lugares interesantes. Nos encuentras como Mochila y Aventuras en YouTube, TikTok, Facebook e Instagram.
Bueno amigos, así termina el video de hoy. Si les gustó el video, compártanlo, denle like. Si no se han suscrito, suscríbanse, activen la campanita de las notificaciones. Muchas gracias a nuestros patrocinadores y nos vemos en el siguiente video. Adiós.
Te invitamos a unirte a nuestra comunidad en YouTube, Facebook, Instagram y TikTok. Vamos a estar subiendo contenido 1 o 2 veces por semana. Comenten para decirnos qué video quieren que hagamos. Nos vemos en el siguiente video.